Just reading the word yawn might make you do it. Yawning is one of the most contagious things humans do, and scientists still aren't fully sure why. The leading idea is empathy. The more you care about someone, the more likely their yawn triggers yours. In fact, you're most likely to catch a yawn from family, then friends, then strangers. It even crosses species. Dogs catch yawns from their owners. Yawning may also cool down an overheating brain by pulling in fresh air. Babies yawn in the womb, but they can't catch one until around age 4, when empathy kicks in. Did you yawn yet? Follow for more.